Hey Coaster Spotters, this is Alex, giving you an update from Six Flags Great Adventure of Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth. This is a Zamperla Giant Discovery. It will be the world's tallest in the world, tied with other rides in the Six Flags chain at 181 feet. Right now, the ride has been installed and there's a lot of finishing work to be done. Right here you can see the entrance arch right there, probably where the sign will go. But as you can see, lots of queue has to be poured. But this thing is just gigantic. On this particular day, they were actually testing the LEDs. It is unknown if the ride has tested yet, but I wouldn't be surprised. And here you can see the covering for the queue. Still has a lot to go. Looking good so far. So that's going to be about it for this update. The ride is supposed to open Memorial Day weekend with possibly a membership preview the weekend before. Hopefully that will include season passes, as I am yet to jump the gun on the membership program. But anyways, I should provide one more update before the ride opens in a few weeks. Thanks for viewing. Please like, subscribe, comment, and tell your friends. See ya.